Hi, so this is the LittleLit platform, which offers AI literacy, AI tutors, and creative AI tools, all in one safe, child focused platform. Let's look at the AI curriculum first. This is a fun curriculum where kids learn through bite sized, highly graphic, fun AI lessons. They learn concepts as well as practical AI skills from grade K through 8. Teachers can engage kids through real life projects as they learn, making it a ready to use, immersive classroom experience. Next, let's look at AI tutors. It all starts with setting a personalized profile for the child, and then all the K 12 curriculum can be taught specific to the child's learning profile. Our AI tutors work in a variety of settings and support both independent learning as well as teacher led lessons. Students learn concepts, solve worksheets and assignments, and watch fun AI curated videos. In addition to the academic curriculum, students can also use a variety of other tutors, such as the AI chatbot, and learn based on their interests and curiosities. Finally, we are at the AI Arcade. This is a fun filled, creative sandbox where kids learn the true potential of AI through a wide variety of projects designed specifically for them. Little It is built for kids and meets the expectations of teachers and parents.